Hello ClickChauffeur users! Yes, you can customize your booking module by displaying or hiding the map. And today I'll show you how you can toggle the map on your ClickChauffeur module. By adjusting this setting, you can create a booking experience that best suits your client's needs. Let's dive into the ClickChauffeur dashboard and get started. The first step happens from the menu on the left, so click on Module and then HTML Integration. Then move to the sidebar. On the right, you will see an option labeled Show Map. If you want to show the map, just tick it. If you want to hide it, do not take it. Yes, it's that simple. Now, second step, we want to adjust the module size. Warning, remember to always adjust the height of the map according to your website. And lastly, you want to save the changes. And there you have it. Remember, whether you choose to show or hide the map, adjusting the module height is key to ensuring a smooth user experience. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Keep your booking module user-friendly and your clients satisfied.